Yeah. Hello, Edward. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, how are you today, Edward?
I'm good.
Good. Okay. What do you usually do on the weekend?
Mm, Having courses and then uh, having a dinner together with my family.
Okay. Yeah. What kind of courses?
There, there is chemistry
Um,
and English
mm-hmm.
and this course.
Yes.
That's three.
Okay, so you're quite busy on the weekend too.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. It's sunny today. How is it there? Where do you live, Edward?
In Surabaya.
Oh, Surabaya. Okay. Is it how's the weather there?
Mm,
Raining up?
it's clear.
Oh, okay. Bright too. Okay. Yeah, let me share the presentation first. Okay. Okay. So today we'll learn about lists. Okay, so can you describe what when you hear list? Just
Mm,
list in real life, not in programming.
like the point of something, like when there are a lot of things and it's sorted in some in some part.
Yeah, it's a lot of things in one. Okay, let's imagine when you go shopping, you write a list that you want to buy. Like you can list, I want to buy milk, I want to buy egg, I want to buy anything. And you can write in some notes in your phone. You can create lists like, and in Python it's similar way like that. So we use list to make no. Usually we use one variable to one value, right? So instead of creating one variable to one value, we can use a list to add a multiples value in one variable, like that. Okay, it's just overview. And let's take a look at the sample. And this is okay, so wait. Okay, before that, let's do a review. Okay, about the last topic. Okay, do you still remember about loops in Python?
Uh, it's for like looping, maybe while and for.
Yes, while loop and for loop. Okay, so while loop, we can add counter like this. While loop runs as long as the condition is true, and then we add counter like this, and then for loop is repeat action uh times how many times. Usually we use range, Like, okay, wait, for loop, and then, okay, so we can use like this, looping in a string. Like this, we can for symbol in login. Login is a variable to saving some string. Okay, and do you still remember how to write function in Python?
Mm, uh, a while is while while something equals to something, and then notation.
Okay, so the function, what I mean is using define like this. Okay, do you remember
Oh,
define
oh,
and function name?
yes.
Like, okay, just define, calculate numbers, EP, and then print A plus B. Okay, like this. This is a function name. We use define def, and then we can add the parameter like this, for example, A and B, and then we can add block codes in this function. But remember, you have to indent like this. You can tap one times. Okay, like that, and then yeah. So oh yeah, a function it can that return a value like this. We can add the return at the end of the function like this. So it can return the value of this function using some block codes in here. Okay, so we just review about for, while loops, and then function. Because today's task is also use function and then use for loop and while loop too. Okay, let's continue to today's topic. List is a structure for the ordered storage of the data of different types. So a list can contain more than one different data types. Like in one list, it contains integer, float, and string. Here is just string. It's just integer, right? But we can add some lists like this. Result, um, 100, anything, but okay, wait. Yeah, this is another example for list. It can contain like this integer, and then this is float, and this is string. And we use this kind of brackets, square brackets, like this. Okay, and then do you still remember how indexing in Python? It starts from 0
Mm,
or from 1.
okay.
Okay, do you still remember? It starts from 0, right?
Yes.
This is this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 value in one list results. So like this, if I print results 0, it will show 181. And if I result okay, like this. Okay, what's the integer will be shown? Eh, okay.
Huh?
Okay, and result 2.
Uh,
What's the number will be 2?
160.
Yes, that's right. Okay, this because index start from 0. Okay, and then okay, we can do create list, get list, and then add some data, new data, and we can deleting unnecessary data to remove items in the list, and then we can find the data or searching in the list, and then we can sorting list items in order, for example, from A to Z or from minimum to maximum is use sorting. Okay, let's look at the example. Okay, so this is we use function list like this. It's mean an empty list like this list function. And we can add new item in the empty list. We use append. So if we in here append Smith, so Smith can add into the list. So become like this. Students Smith like this. If I um, append 1, it can add in the empty list 1. If I append 2, it can saving into this variable into this list. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, and then this is for example, we use it to request the names of the student as input and add them to the group. So we use while loop to input the student's name. So we at the first line we have to create some variable to make empty list like this. Just write function list to make empty list, and then we can add input like this, like the usual. And then in the while loop we add append like this, so every input can save into the list.
Okay.
Okay, is it clear? And then okay, it's for searching some data. For example, we have some list, maybe this Johnson, and then we add word, we can add word like this. So we can search Uh, for some data, we use just like this. We can use sort. This is how we will write the name of variable dot sort like this. It's for searching some data in the list.
Okay.
It's simple. Okay, like this. Maybe I'm going to run here. Wait. Mm, okay. Mm, okay, I'll try to run the code here. Okay, let's run this code. Get input. Get input. Returns. Okay. Same. Okay, I input Edward, for example, and then I stop. So when I input some string, it can save into this list. And then it sort to okay. And it can sort from A to Z like this. A G S. And I try maybe Edward and then Alan and then from B Bagas like this. It can sort from yeah like this. A B A G S like this because we use sorting. Okay. Can you imagine?
Uh,
Is it clear?
yes.
Okay. Do you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Hmm. Oh yeah, and in the list we can determining the length of the heads list. Like we can calculate length of the string using len. It's also it can be calculating the list too using len. Okay, and then about split. Where is split? Okay, we can use method split to separate a character like this. Wait, I have to run this example code. Okay, if I enter 4, 7, 8, 9. Okay, wait. I have to enter 4, 6, space. Yeah, it can separate by its character like this because using split.
Okay.
Yeah, we use split. So instead of we input one value by one, we can input everything in just one times like this. Okay. Okay, do you
Okay.
get it?
Yes.
Okay, any question? for these topics about lists?
No.
No. Okay, we can continue at the second lesson. This Python list is for all. One. Okay, you can share screen now.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. Correct statement about list. Okay, there are four correct answer.
I think this is correct now.
Always can contain. Is it correct? Yes. Okay, we can continue. We can match. Mhm. 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 Okay. Wait. Mm, Determining the length using length. Is it correct? Getting list. Okay. Mhm. Yeah. Okay. It's correct. Okay. Then continue. Okay. So number 4. Okay. You can see my share screen first.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, wait. I have to spotlight. Okay. Okay. This program is to first arrange the lesson name in alphabetical order and then count the number of the students in the class and then display a number list like in the picture. So this is incomplete code. We can run first. There is error in line 5. So we have to like this. Okay. For variable amount students, we can count the number of the students. We can add len students like this, and then mhm, and then students is sort. Okay, I have to move this code here, but we have add the variable students dot sort because we have to arrange the alphabetical from A to G. And then we have to add in, okay, we have to run first add line 10. This is incomplete for code for loop. We have to for E in students. Students. Oh, okay, E is for counter, so I have to make students because this is using students. For student in students, we have to print E, and then we use counter to add the new value into the current value. Yes, just like this. We can sort, we can arrange from A to G, and then it can calculate how many numbers of students in the class. We use len. Okay. Any question about
Okay.
this number?
Uh, the the student with no S like in the print, like why don't it use S?
Oh, this is
The second one,
the second. Okay, this.
yes.
Uh-huh. In which part? What
The
is
student,
a
why
student?
it's not students?
Okay, because this is index in here. Like for E in range, yeah, we have to print the looping because this is a variable for looping. We maybe we can add students. It will errors. Yes, like this. If we add students, it will print all the value.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we have to change. You can change A but this is also A. Yes, like this. Okay,
Oh, okay.
okay, you can continue.
Mm,
Okay, here's one. This one. Mhm.
I think that this is all.
Yes, it's enough. You can bring. Okay. Yeah, just check it. Okay, you can continue. Yeah, the question is okay. Input request, and then the program start a list made by students. If the students made such a request, okay, we have to use loop. Oh no, we just you can add if and else.
Okay.
Yes. If searching in trips,
Mm,
it will print request found. Okay, correct. And then we can add else. Mhm. Just request, no such request. If such a request has not been entered, it's for searching some data in the list. Okay.
can you repeat?
Okay, it's this program is to searching some data in that list in trips.
Okay.
Yeah, if you input data and equal to item in the list, it will print request found.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay, good. We can continue. Okay. You have to. Okay, the first line is to make empty list. What kind of function that we use to make empty list?
Index.
Just add list parentheses like this.
Okay.
Okay. X input. Okay, you can add list empty list in first line. Subjects equal list. Yeah, you can move this. Okay, can remove. Okay, and then you have to input subject input, enter subject. This is, you can make input. Okay. And then you have to change subject into lower
Oh,
and the line third. Subject equal. Okay.
like this.
Okay, but you have to saving it into a variable. You can add subject. Subject equal subject lower. Okay, and then we use while loop here. So if the subject is already in the list, it should display the subject has already. So we use while subject is not equal 0, it will run. Mhm. If subject in subjects. Mhm. Yes. Okay. Print. The subject has already been recorded. Recorded. And then in block code else, you can add value into the subject empty list. So you have to add append subject dot append like this. Mhm. Okay. With like this.
Like
Okay,
this.
and then you have to input again in the below else block code like this. Yes. Input same, enter subject 0 until stop input. Mhm. Okay, and then same, you can change into lower, like line 3, subject equals subject lower.
Yes.
So A, yes. Right, right. Okay, and then after that, you can sort, subject sort. No, you subject is outside the while looping. So the subject is you have to remove yes space. Mhm. And then bring.
Done.
Okay, then you can check. Mhm. Okay. Uh, in subject input. Wait. Hmm, it's not. Okay. This is integer. You have to make this string so you can add apostrophe. Mhm. Okay, and then this is you can add space here. Mm, okay, wait. I have to check first. Subject will subject. If subject subject then input. Um, wait. The while loop is correct. Okay, let's take a look the reference code together. You can check together. Hmm. Okay, you have at this.
Oh,
Yes, and then subject, if subject and subject. Hmm. Okay, wait. Wait. Hmm. Number 6. Okay. Language 0. Okay. item but subject input and the lower y subject is not equal 0. Hmm. Okay, maybe you have to make the same variable here.
Okay.
Mhm. Yeah, I think because it's different variables, so it cannot stop looping. And then here, you forget to change. Yes, there is error. Okay, okay, yes. Okay, it's fine. Okay, wait. This is the reference code. So it will calculate the academic performance like this. This is the reference code. Okay. You can continue. May I go out for a moment to meet a guest? I have a guest.
Okay.
Okay, wait, just for a moment.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm. Yes.
Then,
Yes, it's done. You can check. In the jar, you cannot. Okay, wait. In the jar. Mhm. Okay, I think you have to remove this space, maybe.
oh, okay.
Mhm. Okay, you can line the amount. Okay, wait. Around five. Mhm. We can on the max. Open mark. Mm, input number is zero. Okay, wait. I try to run. Mm, wait. To check first. Please, month five, month three. Mm, wait. Month, March, this month. Mm, wait. You, when, mm, I think it's true, but why? Okay, let's check again. Month five, month five. Mm, wait, maybe you can copy paste this operator. Okay, wait. Okay, you can try to copy paste this
Okay.
link in your chat. Hmm. Okay. Ah, so you cannot enter zero at the first. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can continue. Okay. It's tax. Okay, I'm sorry, Edward. I have another class at 9 a.m. I'm sorry. You can continue this task the after the class is done. Okay, we can we can review about today's topics is about lists. So we can use lists to make one variable to add multiples value just in one place, one variable. And a list can contain integer, string, and then floats. It means more than one data types. And then what function we use to add a new value to a list? What function, Edward, to add a new value?
Append.
Append, yes, that's right. And then what method that we use to separate character in a list?
Sort. Oh,
Yes. Okay, that's correct. Okay, good job, Edward. Okay, you joined this course very well today. Okay, thank you. And I'm sorry, I have to end this Zoom. Okay, thank you and see you in the next week. Have a great weekend.
thank you,
Edward.
Miss.
Okay, bye
Goodbye,
bye.
Miss.
Bye.